Hi everybody, Brandon Snow from Rilevera here today with a quick how-to video for one of our partner sims, Datadog. Today we're going to be going over how to set up detection as code in Datadog. The first thing we'll want to do is log into our Datadog instance. We'll select our user profile in the bottom left-hand corner, and under organization settings we'll go to API keys. At this point in time we'll want to create an API key as well as an application key. For the purposes of this demo I've actually already created both and named them Rilevera test. And at this point we can go ahead and decide how we want to set up detection as code. There's a great blog post authored by our CEO, Ethan Smart, called Setting Up Detection as Code the Hard Way. This goes over all of the necessary steps for setting up detection as code, from selecting your repo, creating your custom YAML for the repo, writing the linter for the repo, creating and composing a custom YAML for Terraform, and then wiring up the GitHub Actions workflow. Now, we could spend the next several hours going through all of this and setting up detection as code, or we can do detection as code the Rilevera way. For that, we'll want to log into the Rilevera platform. We'll go under our user profile in the top right-hand corner, select integrations. We'll select add integration and Datadog for this. We'll go back to Datadog. We'll grab our application key here, paste that into Rilevera. We'll grab our API key next. We'll paste this into Rilevera. We'll tell Rilevera that we exist in US1 for Datadog. We'll select Create Integration. We can then test our connection. And at this point, you're all done. Detection as code in the click of a button. Now, all of our rules are versioned with one-click rollback, supported by peer review workflows, and continuously validated to let us know if there are any things that may break a rule, if there are any rules that overlap, and if any rules go through a change that are unauthorized. All this and more with Rilevera. Book a demo or start your free trial now.